So I've come out camping again, this time with my sister, who's...
Can I come with you?
Yeah, you can come with me, sure. I can't remember the name of the lake, because it's really early in the morning and quite dreary. Hello, Atticus.
Hello.
But however, off in the distance, there, Scafell Pike. That is completely wrong. That is not Scafell Pike, that is Great Gable. Yeah, before going on that camping trip, I researched the fells in the area, and I think I just got the names of Great Gable and Scafell mixed up. And yeah, so for the rest of the video, every time I say Scafell Pike, I mean Great Gable. I'll even add a little counter to the top right of the video just to poke fun at myself. And that's going to be the main subject of today. Sunrise is any minute, so I'm trying to hike up to this little place that I scouted out last night. Luckily it's right next to the road and near where we parked, so not too much of a trek. I had a little walk around yesterday and I'd luckily got sunset and I got some nice shots then, but I didn't record them. I should have, but it was so frantic because I was not expecting there to be dramatic sunsets because there were so many clouds. But like last minute, the sun sort of peeked through the clouds and completely lit up all the fells behind me. But yeah, we've got some ice here as well. I am indeed a child. Even though I didn't record it, I'm just going to put on screen some of the pictures that I took the night before. So yeah, hope you enjoy. So, right, I've set up my first composition as a safety, sort of like a wide angle, and I've taken it 30-second exposure, 30-second exposure at f9 and ISO 100. Don't know if you can see the back of the screen very well, but that's the composition I'm looking at currently. I'm going to turn it and do a portrait as well, so I can get the nice swooping curve leading line of the lake heading all the way up to Scafell Pike. Here we go. I've just set up my other one, portrait mode. It's like you're there, you can see that, I hope. You get the nice leading line from the lake, heading up towards Scafell Pike, and the light is slowly getting really nice. But I feel like in a couple of minutes, we're gonna have a massive explosion of colour. And I just hope I'm in the right spot at the right time for it. Right, I've decided to take my camera and go down by the water's edge and see if the light is better down there. So here I go. Let's hope I don't drop my camera. Okay, so I've set up my second composition. This time I'm trying to get some elements in the foreground. So I've set up just right by the waterside, and I've got some of these rocks here in front with some foam in the water. Not the best composition I could find, but I'm worried that I'll lose the light if I stay too long in like one spot. So I'm gonna walk around and try and find more, and then if the light becomes amazing I might come back here, or I might go back up there, because everything's within like a couple minute walking distance, if not a couple second running distance. So yeah, I've just set up this shot here. I've gone for a 15-second exposure, f22 ISO 100. I did take a couple other exposures at different frame rates so that I could blend them in Photoshop afterwards. So I've got some where I was shooting at, I believe, 1/60, so I could get the detail in the water, and then some other shots that are about like 2-3 seconds. But I mean, a variety of shots while I'm here, may as well take them, you know, because otherwise maybe I'll get home, have a look at them, and then I won't have the shot I wanted because I wasn't taking multiple exposures. But here, better to cover all bases than to regret it later. Same with filmmaking, better shoot more than shoot less. Yeah, if any of these photos turn out good, I'm going to put them on screen, but if they don't, I might just cut them out of the video. But yeah, I think it should be alright. I think this one's nice. Just hope the next one is. Right, I think I found the composition I'm going to stick with. It's right behind me here, that road. I've got it leading up to Scafell, and if you can have a look at the sunrise that's currently happening, I think I'm going to stay here. The sun is just catching the top of Scafell, and I think it's only going to get brighter. So I'm just going to sit and wait. Take a little break. Yeah. All in all, it's been quite an enjoyable morning, but as you can see, I don't know if you can see actually, it's quite far away, but a whole load of people have just arrived, and now there's just cars and people everywhere, so I'm just hoping that I can get my shot and it all looks good. Hey Florence! Thought I'd get a whole bunch of exposures of different things just to not miss anything, just in case.
Think so?